All right, thanks again for the fill, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, thank you. We are doing 6 boxes of Breakaway Prizm. I am Soccer Breakers FC. If you're interested in joining our breaks, join our Facebook group, Soccer Breakers FC. All breaks are live on YouTube. Check us out on our website, www.soccerbreakersfc.com. Follow us on Instagram, Soccer Breakers. Watching on YouTube, guys, make sure you do click the little subscribe button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you so much, guys, for all the likes. 50 of you already, really appreciate that. Yeah, apparently I've been told like 70-75% of diabetic dogs go blind. I don't know why. It's so, and I don't know. They were, one of the doctors wanted to offer to do like cataracts, and he said he may get some of his vision back and surgery. And again, if he was younger, he'd do it, but at 12, I was like, I don't know. I asked my vet friend, and she was like, at that age, I wouldn't mess with it. He'll adjust, he'll be fine. Sure enough, he's, for being blind and diabetic, he's a real happy dog. He's happier than the other two. But that's just his personality. He's always been the happy one. Yeah, the other two are girls. He's the boy. They boss him around. But. No, never. Yeah. There. Yes, I do plan to break basically for the next 3-4 days. I don't know. We'll see how long I last. I may jump on earlier, like during the day, to do like Donruss and stuff like that. If you fill that other Donruss, I'll try to break both Donrusses, maybe tomorrow, or at least one tomorrow and one the next day. And maybe I'll try to jump on earlier in the day to do Donruss, so we don't spend a lot of the nighttime hours doing the Donruss. First one is decent, so it's pretty similar. Last time Breakaway was a lot better than Hobby. This time, I don't know. I mean, we only did 6 boxes, so we gotta wait and see. But from what I've heard, is it's not as crazy as it was last time. But I mean, last year for sure, I would rather have a case of Breakaway than a case of Hobby because it's 20 boxes versus 10. And I think price-wise right now, case of Hobby, case of Breakaway are pretty comparable. Because the Hobby obviously has 12 boxes, the Breakaway has 20. So with Hobby, you're going to get 12 autos. With Breakaway, you're going to get 10 autos. But you're going to get a lot more numbered cards with the Breakaway than you would with Hobby. And you still have the silvers and the base. Probably have more. I don't know if you have more base cards than Hobby or Breakaway case. I would think Breakaway you'd get more just because it's 20 boxes. First break, we hit 4 out of 6. Donruss, good. Yeah, do I have, I do have more NT. I thought, do we have it? I think we have NT in the store, don't we? Is there NT in the store right now, or do we break it all? Yeah, there's 4 NTs in the store. Yep, we do have NT in the store. Yeah, no, I have one more case after we do those 4. I will be able to do 4 more after that, and that's it for NT. I've got 2018 packs again with the Mbappe's. Those are there. Oh, the Chrome is sold out, so I'll have to do that one at some point. Quiet in here tonight. Where's Kinky? I think Kinky said he's going to the dentist. Speaking of new breaks, guys, I do need to work. I just got sick, and with this release, I totally forgot, but I do need to work on Jersey Palooza. I will get a new Jersey Palooza out by next week for sure. Breakaway is 20 boxes per case. You know, last year Breakaway was regional. It was like Timor. It was Asia only. This year, you know, honestly, they are increasing production because of how good soccer's been doing. I mean, they keep saying they don't want to increase production run, which instead of like producing 3,000, you know, like normally, let's say they do 2,500 hobby cases. They're still trying to keep it to 2,500, but instead what they're doing now is they're doing another 1,500 breakaway, another 1,500 choice, another, you know, so they're, rather than increase the production run, they're increasing the different varieties of the product, which is kind of doing the same thing, but, you know, anyway, we'll see how it holds up. But soccer is so hot right now, just like basketball, they're trying to just ride the wave, I guess. So they're producing lots of different variations for every product. Yeah, well, Breakaway was there last year too. And it was really good last year because it was very short printed. This year I think they made a lot more of it. So it's going to be watered down compared to what it was last year. At least from what I've heard. Because I can say last year there hardly wasn't a case where we didn't hit a 1 of 1. I mean, maybe out of like 20 cases, there was maybe like 1 or 2 where I didn't hit a 1 of 1. There were cases where I hit 2, 3 1 of 1s. And there were cases where we pulled like 10, 12, you know, cards numbered to 10 and lower. We pulled like 5 or 6 numbered to 5 cards out of the same case. It was a real good product last year. All right, here we go. Brown, Target to 25. Emergent, Gomez, Joe Gomez. Thiago Silva. Blue, Tim Ream. De Gea. Youngmin Son, Prizm, very nice. Definitely feeling a little bit better, Ryan. Thank you, appreciate it. What do you mean are the specials on the back, Sam? Sorry. What do you mean by that? Trossard to 99. Quick question. Is 98, 99 treble winning? I have no idea what card you're referring to. Quick TC. I don't know what that card is. Oh, you mean this one, every 5 cards seems to be the the hit. So every pack is 4 base, and then the special card. So Brandon Williams, blue. So 1, 2, 3, 4 base. Then you get the insert. Atmosphere leads. 1, 2, 3, 4 base, and then the insert is Livermore. So that's how these are. In Hobby, I think it's a little different. There's 2 inserts at the end, I think. Bernard to 49. So similar, but not exactly. Dele Alli. Autograph. Giovanni Dos Santos again. So you figure 18 packs, you're going to get 18 inserts or numbered cards, or, so-called the specials, I guess. Donnie Van de Beek, and then 4 times 18, that would be what? 40 and 72 base cards per box. Alzate. How about Kyle Walker Peters? Purple to 99, Minamino. Milivojevic. Lawton. Blue, Fabinho. Vardy. Kearney. White. Well, think of it this way. How many, it's a 300 base card set? Arsenal. So we're doing 6 boxes times 72. That would be 420 and like 432 then on the base cards. Bruno Fernandes. So you figure on average, there will be about 1.5 base cards of each of, a little bit under 1.4 base cards of each player if there's 300 base cards. No, base cards are exactly the same. No different. The inserts are different, the numbered cards are different, and they're shiny. They have this shiny look to them. Kind of see, they're all kind of sparkly, whereas with the regular ones, they're not. To 25, Suchek. See, it's got that shiny look. Goes to 25, 24 of 25. N'Golo Kante. Nice. Bernardo Silva autograph for Manchester City. 2 for 2 on the autos so far. There he is, Tinky. What's up, buddy? How did it go? You done with the dentist, I hope? Bamford, silver. There he is. Sakakon. Sakakon. Save the silver for break 3. Atmosphere, Everton. Not yet. Oh, I thought it was over. Jeez. Oh well, good luck. Naby Keita. Ayoze Perez. Emergent. Who's that? Genepo. Webster. Yeah. When is the Immaculate Breaks? Harry, when they fail today, because it's my first day doing Breakaway, I'm going to concentrate on Breakaway as long as we're filling them. But we'll go back to doing Immaculate hopefully tomorrow. I mean, I didn't think they were super close. If one of them sells out, we can try to do one. But last I checked, I wasn't really promoting it very much for today. So hopefully we go back to Immaculate tomorrow. There's 10 left in 179, 11 left in 180. Yeah, 10 and 11. So Immaculate has. They can go fast if we start, you know, pimping it, so to speak. It'll go pretty quick, but. I'll call my wife because something's not right here. Forget about Toby. Hi, hon. Hey, just checking if it's Toby time yet, or he's eating right now. All right, well, text me on the right. Okay. All right, bye. They're going fast. I'm gonna have to find another case of top loaders here somewhere. I didn't bring top loaders. Hold on a sec, guys. We got this one at least. All right, we got one more big one here. Make sure we got top loaders. Anybody know the difference between regular top loaders and premium top loaders? Other than the fact that premium costs like almost twice the price, they're the same size, but my distributor doesn't have regular top loaders anymore, so now they only have premium top loaders. I don't know if that's just an excuse to charge almost double. They do feel heavier though. When I got like a box of them, if you hold a box of the regular versus the box of the premium is definitely a little bit heavier, but it's the same exact size. Premium just costs more money. That's what I mean, it's the same exact size. It's not like thicker, but I guess the holder itself is thicker a little bit. So maybe it's just a little bit thicker, but size-wise, you know, it fits the same size card. 178 we broke a few nights ago, Jordan. We broke it 2-3 days ago. 179 is next. Triora. 178 is in the store already. In the store. It's on YouTube already. Graylish. Nice. Garcia to 99. Eric Garcia rookie. Abraham, we'll see Nicola. I don't know if I have Donruss in me tonight. Also, Donruss, if we need to break 204 before 205. Castagna, for some reason, 205 filled before 204. Luke Ayling, I'll try him. St. Maximin, just because it's breakaway. This technically is breakaway release day, I guess. Cavallero. Atmosphere, Aston Villa. I protect and display your cards with Ultra Pros
premium top loaders featuring high quality additives that both enhance the protection and clarity of the plastic. Okay. Well, I tell you what, if you put them next to each other, like a box of 25 versus, I'll bring them next time. They're like the one is a little bit thicker than the other, so it is a little bit like more. Uh, Hendrick. Jamal Lewis to 195. Adam Webster. Mopai. Martial to 49. There he is, Saka. Last time we hit Greenwood. This time I better start hitting some Greenwood here for Austin. This is not going according to plan. Yes, yeah, it's crazy. Top loaders now are allocated, just like cards are allocated. You used to be able to like order top loaders. I can't order, like they just call me and they say, "Hey, we have top loaders. You can have 2 cases. Do you want them?" I'm like, "Just give me whatever I can get." I mean, I stopped buying certain sizes that I don't need, like 180s. I don't really need. They have. But other than like certain size, but the regular sizage, which are these. Anything 35, 55, 75, 100, 130, all gone. Kyle Walker. Even the other sizes are gone. Even 180, 260. I mean, I guess I should just buy them because you can resell them for double, triple the price. I mean, it's crazy. On eBay right now, they're selling boxes of 25 for like $13, $14, where usually retail was like $6. So it's hard. That's why I can't sell, like people that ask me for supplies. I can sell you a little bit of supplies. I can't sell you a lot. Like those that buy boxes or cases from me, I try to supply them with enough to at least cover what they bought. But yeah, I'm super low on supplies myself. Logo cards are pretty rare, Jacob. They are. This is my first case of Breakaway, so I have no idea how rare they are in Breakaway. But in the hobby, I say that's about right. Maybe one per case. Oof. All right. Didn't you? Okay, Toby's ready. After this box, guys, I'll have to go do Toby's shot, and I'll be right back, and we'll finish those last two. Ederson. Longstaff, Emergent. Fleck. Oops. Jay Rodriguez. Cordova Reed. Kyle Edwards. Harvey Barnes. West Brom. Bastian Schweinsteiger one more time. Austin's collecting a Bastian Schweinsteiger auto set. It's 2 Dos Santoses, 2 Schweinsteigers so far. Aaron Ramsdale. Bamford. Bednarik. I haven't hit a single Silva yet out of 8 boxes. No, 6 and for 10 boxes make that. John Joe Shelby. Pickford. Tammy Abraham. Diangana. Alright, I know, I heard you. Alright, I gotta go, guys. Sissoko. Sorry, that goes there. What I want, yeah, I mean, it can be really good, so. Team Pro, you saw this in, or that's Anthony, right? Anthony, you saw Breakaway, 1 Color Blast and 1, that gives me hope. And Kaboom, out of Breakaway or out of Hobby? Color Blast is very rare. Color Blast is maybe 1 out of 13 cases in Hobby, so I would assume it's also super rare in Breakaway as well, but all right, guys, I will be right back. Give me 5 minutes here to go give Toby his shot. I'll be right back, and we'll finish these last 2 boxes, and then we'll move on to number 3. Let me see what's left. Okay, there's 1 left in number 3. I'm guessing it's going to be Manchester United. Yeah, Manchester United. All right, and number 4 left. West Ham, Leicester, and City's gone. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Let me go do Toby's thing. I will be right back. That got a little more complicated, but it's done. The other dog wasn't eating. All right, now we're good to go. Here we go. Let's go Ashley Barnes to 195. Neves. Pierrick. Mason Greenwood, finally. Greenwood, emergent. Come on, we need more Greenwood love than that for Austin. Kyle Walker. Redmond. Bergwijn. Robinson. Mora to 195. There he is, finally. First time. Fabio Silva. That was the first 10 boxes, no Silvas. Robinson. Serge Aurier. Gol! Golazo para Aston Villa. Juan de Juan Conza. I told you. Every breakaway case, you get a 1-1. At least we used to last year. I don't know if that's going to work this year, but I'm sure they made a lot more than 300 cases this year. But let's see. That you, Sam? Aston Villa, congrats. Put your name on it too, Sam. So no screw ups there. And go Sam. 1 of 1. Ezri Konsa. Oh, there we go. McGinn, Villa, Kuyate, Albion, Sam Johnstone, what is he? Is he young or what? He's still pretty young. 97, so what? 24. Atmosphere, Brighton. Cesar Azpilicueta. Juan de Juan is right. All right, there we go. How about Lo Celso to 99? Then Donker. There he is, Mr. Greenwood. A numbered Greenwood. Rookie Cabano. Blue Lewis Dunk. Roberts. Vitinha. Oh, look at that. A green. How about that? Black, then a green. So far out of this case, we pulled a 1 of 1, and this is our second number to 5, and we had a number to 10. So see, I'm telling you, it's a lot better. Is that the same team? No, that's Ben Johnson, 2 of 5, West Ham. I mean, it's not as good as last year, but it's still, what are your odds of hitting 1 of 1s and numbered to 5 cards in hobby? I wish they would announce how many. If they told us how many cases they made, then we would know. You know what our odds are. Pulisic. They might have front loaded too, Josh Brownhill, because a lot of times they do front load. They make like the first, batch of cases really good, and then. Yeah, this is Breakaway. I mean, what, like, Hobby's going for about 700, Breakaway's going for like 400. So 450, I don't know, 450, that's what. Riyad Mahrez. Aguero. Federico Fernandez. Saka. You guys need to buy a case of Breakaway, Tinky, and break it over there in Aussie land. Joe Linton. Do some nice inexpensive breaks with Breakaway. Ogbonna to 99. Oh, no, you probably, I just haven't updated, Scott. I copied it from, it's not a filler, it's just what's available. I just cut and paste what was available in 4, so that's why. Don't, yeah, pay no mind. That's, number 5 isn't necessarily accurate. Yeah, this is not a filler though. This is just trying to get people to buy teams in the next breaks. Madison, nice. Dylan, not really. A case of hobby right now is 84. They're about the same. They're almost identical right now, even though you get 20 boxes versus 12 boxes. All right. Breakaway right now is 450. Case is 9,000. Case of hobby is 8,000 on blowout. But 9,000, you can get a case of Breakaway for 8,000. So about the same. You can't really get a case of hobby for much cheaper than 8,000, but you can get a case of Breakaway for 8,000 right now. At least that I know of, right? I know because I would sell you one for 8,000. So there you go. Trying to get some sales. That's right. Well, I had them at 450, but then, there were a couple people selling them at 400, so I had to lower to match. Honestly, I'd rather ship sealed because it's easier. So, all right, here we go. Abraham, Maitland-Niles, Bamford, Bruno, Fabio Silva, Ogbonna, Riyad Mahrez, James Madison, Dunk, Lo Celso, Redmond, Johnstone, Mura, Barnes, Diangana, Sissoko, Ederson, Shelby, Jay Rodriguez. It's purple. Blue is Kyle Walker, Jamal Lewis, Luke Ayling, purple Garcia to 49, Marcial. And we got a Graylish, Perez, Fabinho, Tim Ream, and Brandon Williams. That's a rookie. Minamino, Trossard, Ben White, Bernard. That's also the 49 to 25. We have Suchek, West Ham, and for Aston Villa, Target to 25. Villa did quite well. And we have a Giovanni Dos Santos autograph. So how many autos do we have in this one? We did have 3 out of 6 in this one. We have Hyungmin Son. Here comes the sun. Do 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 do. How about for Manchester City, Bernardo Silva autograph. Our sock account was 1, 2, 3, 1 emergent, 1 base, and 1 fireworks. Triple Saka. For Manchester United, we had Greenwood Emergent, Greenwood Base, and Schweinsteiger Auto. Very similar to the last one. Number to 5 for Ben Johnson and West Ham. 2 of 5. That is a rookie. To 5. And then we've got Ezri Konsa. Juan de Juan for Aston Villa. Congrats, Sam. All right, let me end this.